Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your microphone input device on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu and select settings. You may also want to search for it at the top, doesn't really matter either way. And we're going to go ahead and open that up. And then on the left panel, select device. Underneath device, select audio. And then underneath input, just have your microphone here. Click the drop down and select your mic. If it's not the correct one listed here, you may have to select a different one. And that's pretty much it. Select the correct one. You can test it out, make sure the volume's turned up, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.